I went ahead and attached a snowplow to this. It's a kind of a manual setup. I know a lot of you might be, snowed in right now. So you can see it's a manual. It's got a latchet strap. It does need, a winch, but we gotta make do with what we got. I could afford the snowplow, and I had time to get the snowplow, but I didn't have time to get a winch installed. And snow don't wait for no man. Mother Nature, though, she's a grumpy woman. So I'm going to plow with this homemade snowplow today and show you, how good it does. It's been welded on. The snowplow was $100, but yeah, let's just jump into it because it's cold. And I done been about my hands. I just came outside and I couldn't move them. Took a couple passes, but we got this area. It was heavy ice. So I'm going to push this down to the bottom of the drive. Should be good. You can tilt your blade, but I like doing it like this. You go back and then just pushing it. Because right now my blade tilt ain't hooked up. So we do what we want. I just let the weight of the four. Back drag a little, get the four wheel going. Oh, gotta put it in gear. There we go. Whee! I need a winch. First thing in the world. I'm telling you, manual, it's hard to do. You can't get the height and stuff adjusted right when you need it. But we make do with what we got. Need to adjust that shift level, but I can do this. Whee! That snowplow worked out great. I think we add a little bit modification to it with getting the tilt working and getting the winch installed. But manual, it works. It just takes more time than it should. Any suggestions is welcome, by the way. Comment in below. But you can see the black and everything's welded on it. In future videos, I'll show you how this is welded on, and I made the brackets and stuff. It might be something you're interested in. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.